Welcome back. Today's roundup is a big one. SpaceX is going for a wild robotic catch of Starship. Moonshot just dropped the largest open-weight AI model ever built. Anthropic is opening up about its open-weights philosophy. Microsoft built an AI to hunt cyber threats, and Claude Opus 5 just landed. Let's get into it. SpaceX just had its best Starship test flight yet. The upper stage splashed down safely in the Indian Ocean, though the booster didn't stick the landing and came down hard in the Gulf of Mexico instead. Still, it was clean enough that Elon Musk is now setting his sights on something much bolder for the next flight, catching the giant rocket out of the sky using the launch tower itself. The tower has two massive robotic arms, nicknamed chopsticks, designed to grab the booster mid-descent instead of letting it land on legs. SpaceX has already pulled off tower catches before. Doing it again at this scale would be a huge step toward fully reusable rockets. Moving on, Chinese AI lab Moonshot just did something no company has done before. It released the full weights and technical report for Kimi K3, a model with 2.8 trillion parameters, making it the largest open-weight AI model ever published. Weights are essentially the trained knowledge inside a neural network, and releasing them means anyone with serious enough GPU hardware can download the model and run it themselves. It's a big deal for the open-source AI community, giving researchers direct access to a frontier-scale model instead of only reaching it through a paid API. Story number 3. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei published a new post laying out exactly where the company stands on open-weight AI models and why. It comes at a notable moment, since Anthropic remains one of the few major AI labs that hasn't signed the Open Weights and American AI Leadership Letter, an industry push encouraging companies to release more models openly. Rather than staying quiet, Amodei used the post to explain Anthropic's reasoning directly, weighing the trade-offs between open access and safety as models grow more capable. A rare case of a major lab explaining its philosophy instead of deciding behind closed doors. Fourth up, Microsoft just launched MAI Cyber 1 Flash, its first AI model built specifically for cybersecurity work. It's now built directly into MDASH, Microsoft's agent system, where it's designed to actively hunt for bugs and vulnerabilities before attackers find them first. CEO Satya Nadella is billing it as frontier-grade security at half the usual cost. As AI-powered cyberattacks keep getting faster, this is Microsoft's bet that defense needs its own dedicated AI, not a general-purpose assistant repurposed for the job. Assigned cybersecurity is becoming the next big battleground for specialized models. And finally, Anthropic just rolled out Claude Opus 5, now available across the Claude apps, Claude Code, and the API. The company describes it as a thoughtful and proactive model, designed to not just answer questions, but anticipate what you need next. What really stands out is the pricing. Anthropic says Opus 5 comes close to the intelligence of its Fable 5 model, but at roughly half the price. For anyone building on Claude, that's near top-tier performance without the top-tier price tag. The latest sign that frontier labs are racing to push costs down while still pushing capability forward. That wraps up today's AI news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe so you never miss a day of what's happening in artificial intelligence. Whatever you're building or exploring out there, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and be good to one another. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.